If you're feeling low right now, then this video is for you. Before starting the video, two things. One, this is a temporary setup because I am in Bangalore. I am visiting my sister's place और मैं अब वहाँ पे शूट करूँगी कुछ videos and उसके बाद back to my original setup. And second thing, yes, my face looks dull because बिना धूप में घूमे मैं यहाँ tan हो रही हूँ. I don't know how. It's the water or it's what, but tan हो रही हूँ मैं तो that's how it is. Hi guys, I'm Rashmi Gaur. I love making beauty and lifestyle content. So let's get started. There are so many days where I feel low without any reason. It's like I'm just feeling low. There is no reason to feel low and you don't have to justify it to anyone saying कि मैं क्यों low feel कर रही हूँ या justification ज़रूरी है. No. And in order to feel good, you need to work on yourself. You need to do things that will make you feel good. So this video is all about that. All the things that I personally do to make myself feel good whenever I'm feeling low, on confidence, low, upset, sad, anything. These are the things that I follow. Also, don't get me wrong on the things that these things are not to divert your mind on the topic that you're thinking. For example, if you're feeling low about something that has happened currently with your life, and these things are an escape which might make you feel better, and at the same time you have to take out all your emotions. I am always against the thing कि mind को divert कर लो तो तुमको अच्छा लगेगा. नहीं, because after a day, after a week, it will hit you. So it's okay to टेक आउट ऑल योर इमोशंस, बट एट द सेम टाइम बहुत हैवी होता है कि भाई हर दिन यही फील कर रहे हो, तो यू नीड अ फ्यू एस्केप्स एंड दिस इज द वीडियो वेर यू विल फाइंड द बेस्ट एस्केप्स व्हेन यू फीलिंग लो. The first and the best way is to listen to music. If you like Hollywood music, Bollywood music, ghazal, anything, just go and listen to music and I'm sure you will feel so good. If you are into music and if you love listening to music, then this might be the best escape. एकदम से mood uplift हो जाता है. Whenever I am listening to music, I just feel so good. मुझे कभी भी हल्का सा भी low feel हो रहा है, I listen to music. मैं legit सुबह उठते ही टीवी में म्यूज़िक लगाती हूँ because it just energizes my entire soul, entire body, and that is actually very good for you. So best thing, if you love music, listen to music. If you are into Bollywood, I am completely into Bollywood. So Bollywood music में बहुत अच्छे suggestions दे सकती हूँ. So I'll link a few in the description box below. Next is listen to podcast. As I've already told you all to listen to podcast in one of my videos, I am so much into podcasts and I love listening to podcasts that are actually to the topic which I am thinking about. For example, if you're overthinking about being confident, if you're overthinking about how your friends are toxic, how your partner is toxic, anything, and you just find a podcast on it and you listen to it, you'll feel so good. So music is one escape, but if you want a big sister advice, you want to know the experience of others, how they felt when they were going through the similar situation, podcasts are such a great option. It helps, it actually helps. मतलब बहुत सारी गोली podcast है which you can always afford to. I will link a few in the description box below so you can check that out. Tamkor, Adi Dahya, Hot and Unbothered, these are a few podcasts which I actually love and इन्होंने most topics cover कर रखे हैं जो daily life में हम overthink करते हैं जिस पर. So you can check that out and I am sure you will feel so good after listening. You'll feel like you have got a big sister advice from someone and that will actually make you feel good. Next is to make something nice for yourself. Coffee, smoothie, chocolate milkshake, anything, chai, something comforting like a pasta, macaroni, anything that makes you feel good, that makes you crave most of the time. For me, it's dosa, it's my comforting food. So maybe you can think about something which is very comforting to you, make it for yourself and then have it. You'll feel so good. And this is another escape because if you cook it, your entire focus is on that कि तुम cooking कर रहे हो और उसमें तुम्हारा focus है, and then you will enjoy the process. And जब वो पूरा बन के ready हो जाएगा, you'll be so proud of yourself कि rather than slugging and rather than being on your bed, rotting on your bed, you are actually working on something और वो बहुत अच्छा बना है और तुम्हें अच्छा भी लगता है. So you can try this and again telling you this for the third time, I'm sure you'll feel good. Next thing that I usually do, which is going out for a walk. Whenever you're feeling low, थोड़ा ऐसे थकावट सी थोड़ा अपसेट फील हो रहा है, देन गो फॉर अ वॉक जस्ट नीचे ही इन योर सोसाइटी. बाहर निकलते ही जो भी तुम्हारे रिश्ते आ रहे हैं वहाँ पे तुम बस वॉक करो. इफ यू हैव अ टेरेस, वॉक देयर. You will feel good. I have read somewhere walking can significantly improve your mood by triggering the release of endorphins, which have mood boosting and pain relieving effects, which is actually what you want. Pain relieving mentally, yes. मूड बूस्टिंग इज़ समथिंग दैट यू एक्चुअली नीड. और तुम अगर वॉक कर रहे हो साथ में तुम म्यूज़िक सुन लो या तुम पॉडकास्ट सुन लो, तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. एंड वॉकिंग विल एक्चुअली हेल्प एंड यू विल ऑनेस्टली फील लाइक इट्स अ मैजिक ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज तुम वॉक करने के बाद इतना रिफ्रेश फील करोगे. एंड वॉकिंग इज़ गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ ऑल्सो. सो win-win. So I think if you are not into music, podcast or anything, just go out and walk. If you have the convenience to go to a park, touch the grass, walk in the nature, वो तो सबसे बेस्ट होगा. मतलब मेरे को ये convenience नहीं है, मेरे आसपास नहीं है कुछ ऐसा. But if you have that, just go there. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बहुत better feel होगा honestly. Next thing is what I've told you from the start, that you need to let your emotions out. And if तुम जब बुरा फील कर रहे हो और इमोशंस का पूरा आउटबर्स्ट हो रहा है, एट दैट टाइम you need an escape where there's someone who can listen to you, because you are full of thoughts. तुमने बहुत overthink कर लिया, तुम्हारा mind full mess हो रखा है, and you need to talk to someone. So meet a friend, but someone who is actually a good listener, who doesn't give you rubbish opinions, who is not toxic. मतलब तुम ऐसे ही randomly किसी को नहीं मिल रहे हो, ऐसे इंसान को मिलो जिसको एक्चुअली तुम चीज़ें बताओगे. He or she will give you good solutions, and even if not solution, they're very good listeners. They will listen to whatever you have in your mind without any judgments, and बहुत अच्छा feel होगा. If you don't have a friend who is available, maybe your best friend is out of town or anything, or is not available for that moment, the next thing that you can do is journal. Journaling helps so much. Make your diary your best friend. Write anything and everything that you feel like in that diary. And मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, सच में तुमको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. बिकॉज मुझे भी ऐसे स्टार्टिंग में मैंने जर्नलिंग जब शुरू नहीं किया था, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार क्या ही हो जाएगा, जर्नलिंग ही तो है, मैं लिख के मुझे कैसे बेटर फील होगा. बट इवन बीइंग इनकन्सिस्टेंट, आई फेल्ट सो मच बेटर. कभी कभी मेरे दिमाग में जब थॉट्स नहीं भी रहते थे ना, मैं तो भी जर्नल खोल के बैठ जाती थी. एंड स्टिल आई वॉज, मतलब it was unbelievable to see कि I still have thoughts in my mind which are so irritating thoughts, and I'm so glad कि मैंने लिख दी, क्योंकि अब मैं वापस उनके बारे में सोचने नहीं वाली हूँ. And I have made this as a practice for every day now. Before starting my work, मैं मेरी जर्नल खोलती हूँ, 5 मिनट ही सही, मैं कुछ भी लिखती हूँ जो भी मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है, मैं बंद करती हूँ और मुझे पूरे दिन में उस चीज़ के बारे में नहीं सोचती हूँ. Journaling is so good. Make your journal your best friend, your diary, your Dico diary moments, everything should be written in that. और उसको लॉक कर दो, उसको किसी को मत दिखाओ. एंड एक बार लिख के जब तुम थॉट्स अपने सामने रखते हो, यू विल फील कि कितनी सारी चीज़ें you're feeling which are not right, and इवेंचुअली यू विल ओनली स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट कि हाँ यार ये तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोचती हूँ. लिखते वक्त ही तुम लिख दोगे कि यार ये तो मैं बहुत ओवरथिंक कर रही हूँ, आई शुड डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. एंड इवेंचुअली योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. एंड एट द सेम टाइम, इफ़ यू आर समवन हु कैन नॉट राइट रफली, कि ऐसे ही बस लिखते लिखते, तो Pinterest पे बहुत सारे जर्नल प्रॉम्प्ट्स अवेलेबल है टू फील गुड. आई विल इंसर्ट अ फ्यू पिक्चर्स यूर, मैं लिंक्स भी डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, तो वो पिन्स तुम चेक कर सकते हो. और तुम प्रॉम्प्ट से लिखोगे ना, तुमको स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक पूरा पता चल जाएगा कि वाई आर यू फीलिंग दिस, हाउ कैन यू अवॉइड दिस फीलिंग, what are the things that you can do about it, and all of these things. There are so many prompts which are wonderful, and honestly I feel journaling helps a lot. Yeah, these were all the things that I usually do to make myself feel good about anything. जब भी लो फील कर रही हूँ, अपसेट फील कर रही हूँ, इनमें से कुछ भी एक या दो चीज़ें कर लेती हूँ और अपने आप मेरा मूड अपलिफ्ट हो जाता है. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And also follow me on my Instagram, because I keep sharing daily snippets and stories and reels over there as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.